everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking to buy or sell online without fees? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Facebook Marketplace to sell items or find great local deals, even if you are brand new. So let's talk about what is Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a free tool that lets you buy and sell items locally and ship across the country. It's built into Facebook, so you don't need a separate app. First of all, go to your Facebook, log into your Facebook account. To access it, open the Facebook app or website and tap the Marketplace icon usually found at the bottom or in the menu. Looking to buy, you can scroll through categories like electronics, furniture, or clothing. Use filters to narrow by price, distance, and item condition. From here, change the location and click apply. Now tap a listing to see more photos, details, and seller information. Here it is. If you are interested, click message seller from here to ask questions or uh, example, is this still available or can I pick it up today? Meet in a public place and check the item before paying. To sell something, tap create new listing from the left side bar, then choose item for sale, upload clear photo, upload clear photos, write a title, price, category, a condition, and add location. Then click next. Make sure to use write clear photos. Write a honest title like used iPhone 12 great condition. Include details like model, condition, pick up time, or delivery options. You can view and edit your listings anytime by going to your listings. If your item sells, mark it as sold so others know it's no longer available. In some regions, Facebook lets you offer shipping. You will need to enter your address and bank information for payment. Shipping gives you a wider reach, but Facebook takes a small fee. Quick tips for getting more sales. Price competitively, post in the right category, respond to buyers fast, use keywords people search for like gently use or fish delivery. Pros: free to use user base, easy and fast listing. Cons: scams are possible, stay alert. No buyer protection for in-person deals. Always meet in public during daylight. Avoid sharing personal details. If possible, bring someone with you or let a friend know your plans. Add your product image I will sell my iPhone for this tutorial. So on it, then add a title like iPhone 13 good condition. Then add set price like set price your um, local currency like 50,000. Mm. Select category from here. Then condition used good. Then you can set tags, SKU, location, etc. from here. Then click next and follow the process. Then click publish. That's it. From the dashboard, select buying, click market, browse marketplace. Pick a one product from here. Then go to inboxes tab. From here, you can contact with sellers or buyers. From here, you can select your categories like vehicles, property for rent, classified, clothing, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff, garden and outdoors, hobbies, home goods, improvement, supplies, musical instrumentals, and office supplies. It is from notification section. You will get notification from buyers or sellers. Click the settings. You can manage your dashboard from here, like show notification dots, customize notifications, let people follow you. It is That's how to use Facebook Marketplace to buy and sell safely and efficiently. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and comment below what you plan to sell first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.